everyone! Today I'll be showing you 5 different braid patterns that you can use in your macrame artwork or other projects as well. Please see the description down below for tips on how to measure your ropes for each different braid style. Now, let's get started. The first braid pattern I'm going to show you is made using one single strand, and this braid is called the caterpillar braid. Take your end and just fold it up so that you have a loop. Now take the long end and send it behind the loop, through, and back over the side on the right. Okay, then pinch your loop and turn the right side over the left. Now you take that long strand and you're going to go underneath the side and then over and through your loop. Okay? Now you're going to take your loop and twist the left side over the right. Stick that end behind and through the loop. Okay, and then once it's through, you can kind of adjust this caterpillar knot until it lays nice and neat. Now I will show you how you can make a braid using 2 ropes. This method is called the snake knot. Start by taking the side here on the right and curling it up to form a loop. Now take the side on the left and just pull it right through that loop. Okay? Then take the side on the left that we just pulled through the loop and send it over the right cord, twist it around, and then pull it back through the loop. And now just gently tug on the ropes to tighten up the knot and push it up towards the top. Now we just repeat, so once again take the side here on the right and twist it up to form a loop. Pull the cord on the left through that loop. Now take that same left cord over the one on the right, curl it all the way behind, and then bring it back through the loop. Then gently pull on the knots to tighten and slide it right up below the first knot we formed. And all we do is we just keep repeating. Just like that. Now I will show you how you can braid using 4 strands of rope. When I tie a 4-stranded braid, I like to always think of working in 3 sections of 2. Okay, so you'll have your section here of 2 on the right, your section of 2 on the left, and then we'll do the section of 2 in the middle. Okay, I start with my section on the right and I take the right cord over the left. Then I do the same with the section on the left. I send the right cord over the left. And now, working with my section in the middle, I send the left over the right. And I just repeat. So think of it as right over left, right over left, and then left over right. Okay? Right goes over left, then I work on the section here on the left and I send right over left. Now in the middle, left over right. Okay? Just remember, right over left, right over left, left over right. And that's all there is to this. Just like that. You can end your braid with any kind of stopper knot, whether that's a gathering knot, an overhand knot, or any other fun way to end and secure your ropes you can use. Now I will show you another braid using 4 cords called the reverse endless falls knot. So to make this braid pattern, I like to attach my rope with a lark's head knot and then slide a second rope through the lark's head knot, pulling it even on both sides before securing that lark's head knot back to my dowel rod. Now to form the actual braid, I take the 2 cords on the outer end and I send it right behind the 2 in the middle, crossing the left over the right to form a loop. I like to pinch it right here where everything crosses so it looks like I have 2 well-defined loops. I send the middle right cord behind my ropes to go up and around and through the loop on the right. Then I repeat on the left by taking the left cord behind and around and through the loop on the left. And I pull those 2 outer cords tight to secure the knot, as well as adjusting those 2 middle cords as I go. Then I just repeat the same steps. So I take the outer cords left over right behind the 2 in the middle to form a loop. I take that middle right cord behind and around and through the right side of the loop. I do the same on the left by taking it behind and around and through the left side of the loop. And I pull to secure and tighten. Once you are finished, this braid pattern looks like each rope is endlessly falling into itself, making a very beautiful braid pattern. Now I will show you how you can braid using 6 strands of rope. And I just like to set up my strands by nestling them together and then attaching them to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. So for this braid, we're going to separate our cords into 2 sections of 3. And we're always going to remember these 2 sections for this braid. Okay, so I'm going to start with the section here on the right, and I'm going to take that far right cord and I'm going to twist this cord behind all the rope so it comes out here on the left. Now I'm going to weave it over, under, and over the 3 cords on the left. And then I just pull it tight so it joins its original section. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the cords here on the left. So this time I take the cord all the way on the far left, swing it behind all the ropes so it comes out here on the right. Then I weave it through the original right 3 strings. It goes over, under, and over to go back to its own original section. And I just kind of pull it tight. And that is all there is to this braid. So I just repeat. The side all the way on the far right is going to swing behind all the ropes to come out on the left. Then I weave it over, under, over, and pull it tight while it joins its original group. I do the same on the left side. Cord all the way on the left swings behind all the cords to come out on the right. It goes over, under, and over. we pull it tight. Now we're working from right to left. Take the right cord, swing it all the way to the left, and then weave over, under, and over. Now we take the cord on the left side, swing it around all the ropes in the back, and then send it over, under, and over. Pull it tight, okay? You want to keep pulling your braid tight as you go. And we're always alternating sides. So now it's time to go from the right. Take that right cord all the way around to the left, and then start weaving it over, under, and over. Okay, and that is all there is to this braid, and we literally just repeat these steps until your braid has reached the desired length. And you can secure your braid once again with any kind of stopper knot you would like. Okay, and what's cool about this braid is it is a round braid, so it is round all the way around. And there we go. Here is 5 different and amazing braid patterns that you can add into all kinds of your macrame artwork. And of course you can use these braids for projects outside of macrame too. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.